Anna was a 22-year-old student who lived in a big, noisy city. She studied business at the university and also worked part-time in a small cafe near her home. Her days were always full. She went to classes in the morning, worked in the afternoon, and studied at night. From the outside, her life looked busy and exciting. But inside, Anna felt tired, sad, and heavy. Every morning, Anna woke up with no energy. The alarm clock rang, but she wanted to stay in bed. She looked in the mirror and thought, "I cannot do this anymore." She smiled in front of her friends and teachers, but when she was alone, she felt empty. At first, Anna ignored these feelings. She believed it was normal to feel stressed because she was a student. She drank more coffee, stayed up late, and tried to finish all her tasks. She told herself, "If I work harder, everything will be fine." But it was not fine. Every night she went to bed with a heavy heart. Even when she sat with her friends, she felt lonely. One day, Anna had an important exam. She stayed up all night studying. In the morning, her head hurt and her eyes were red. On the way to school, she felt dizzy and almost fainted. Her best friend Maria saw her and quickly held her arm. Maria said, "Anna, this is not okay. You are not only tired, you need to think about your health. This is about your mind and your body." For the first time, Anna said out loud, "I feel sad and tired every day." Maria held her hand and answered, "It's okay to say that. You are not weak. You just need help and support." That night, Anna searched online about mental health. She read simple articles and watched short videos. She learned that it was important to rest, to eat well, and to ask for help. She decided to make small changes in her daily life. She started drinking more water, eating fruit in the morning, and going to bed earlier. She also began to take short walks in the park near her house. At first, the walks were only 10 minutes. But soon, she stayed longer. The sound of birds, the smell of grass, and the green trees gave her peace. She felt the wind on her face and said to herself, "Maybe I can feel better." Another change was writing in a notebook. Every evening before bed, Anna wrote 3 things she was thankful for. Sometimes she wrote, "A warm cup of tea," or "a smile from Maria," or "a beautiful sunset." These small notes helped her see good things around her. After some weeks, Anna started to feel stronger, but she still had bad days. On those days, she did not want to get out of bed. She thought again, "Maybe I cannot do this." So, she decided to visit the university counselor. At first, she was nervous. She sat in the waiting room and felt her hands shaking. But when the counselor welcomed her with a kind smile, Anna felt safe. She talked about her fears, her stress, and her loneliness. The counselor listened carefully and said, "You are very brave for coming here. Let's work together." The counselor gave her small exercises, deep breathing, making a study plan, and taking short breaks. She also told Anna, "It is okay to rest. It is okay to say no sometimes." Mental health is about balance. Anna practiced these exercises. She learned to breathe deeply before exams. She wrote a weekly study plan and gave herself time to relax. She watched movies, read simple books, and sometimes painted small pictures. These little things gave her joy. One Saturday, Maria invited Anna to go hiking outside the city. The hill was not very high, but the air was fresh. They walked slowly and enjoyed the view. At the top, Anna looked at the wide blue sky and the green land. She took a deep breath and said, "I feel free." Maria smiled and answered, "See, you are learning to take care of your mind. That is real strength." From that day, Anna continued her journey. She still had challenges. Sometimes she felt nervous before exams. Sometimes she had sad evenings. But now she had tools. She knew how to talk, how to rest, how to move her body, and how to ask for help. Most importantly, she knew she was not alone. Anna understood that mental health was not about being perfect. It was about balance, patience, and kindness to herself. And step by step, she built a healthier, happier life.